Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to get a free donation button in Please Donate. To start, open roblox.com in your internet browser and then select Create on the upper left. Once you are now here, head on over to your creations. Then scroll down this time, and then select an experience that you made over at Roblox. On the thumbnail, select the three dots. Now select Create a Badge. Once you are here, you will now have an option to create a badge for Roblox. Go ahead. First, input an image for your badge. This time, you can also give a name to your badge, and then on description, you can also add one. Then tap on the button that says Create Badge. Once done, you should see over here that over at Badges in your experiences it should exist. Now head on over to Passes. This time, tap on the button that says Create a Pass. In here, first upload an image. Look for an image you want to associate with your pass over here. Once done, you can give it a name and a description as well. Then select Create Pass on the buttons. Once done, on the dashboard, head on over to Sales on the left corner. And then in here, turn on Item for Sale. Then you can add a price in Robux. Once done, select Save Changes. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.